As we head into the new year, we wanted to pause and talk about something that's always been at the core of Young Goose science-driven health.
From the beginning, our brand and products have focused on cellular health and lasting skin function.
That belief is why and what led us to partner with CountdownForACure as our nonprofit partner of choice.
Mitochondria power nearly every system in the body, yet the science behind them has been underfunded and overlooked for decades.
Mitochondria are the engines of our cells. They drive energy, repair, and how we age. When they're functioning well, everything works better, including your skin.
And when they're not, the impact shows up everywhere. That science doesn't just guide our formulations, it shapes our philosophy.
Mitochondrial dysfunction is one of the most overlooked drivers of disease. It's a hidden root cause across many conditions, from neurological and metabolic disorders to cancer, chronic fatigue, and aging.
We chose CountdownForACure because they're funding the research that explains why cellular energy matters, not just for disease, but for long-term health.
This partnership is about collaboration, science, skincare, medicine, and philanthropy coming together to make a real impact.
We are proud to support CountdownForACure and invite you to join us as we help advance the future of health from the inside out.